Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Schreiben module from German Goethe B1 level exam. Schreiben is writing. So we are going to see what are the tasks and how to write it. Okay. So we'll start. I'll share one screen with you and then we'll able to see what are the tasks here. So this is Schreiben or writing module of German Goethe B1 level exam. And here it is, they have written some rules and there are there are three tasks. Okay. In den Aufgaben 1 und 3 schreiben Sie E-Mails. Meaning in task 1 and 3, you write emails. In Aufgabe 2 schreiben Sie einen Diskussionsbeitrag. Meaning in task 3, you write one discussion contribution, right, from your side. Hilfsmittel wie zum Beispiel Wörterbücher oder Mobiltelefon sind in der Achtprüfung nicht erlaubt. Meaning here aids like dictionaries or mobile phones, those are not allowed in the real exam. Okay, so now we'll see tasks one by one. Aufgabe 1. So what we have to do here, we'll just see, Sie haben vor einer Woche Ihren Geburtstag gefeiert. Okay, you celebrated your birthday a week ago. Ein Freund, eine Freundin von Ihnen konnte nicht zu Ihrer Feier kommen, meaning your friend could not come to your celebration while er oder sie krank war, because he or she was sick. Now what exactly we have to write here? Beschreiben Sie, wie war die Feier? Here, beschreiben Sie is describe. Okay, describe how was the party to your friend. The next point is, begründen Sie, welches Geschenk finden Sie besonders toll und warum? Which gift, Geschenk is gift, which gift you find it is great, okay, and why? That also you have to explain. Then machen Sie einen Vorschlag für ein Treffen. You make a suggestion for meeting to your friend. So these are the 3 points and you have to cover all these 3 points in your email or text. Schreiben Sie eine E-Mail circa 80 Wörter. Approximately 80 words you have to write in the email. Schreiben Sie etwa so allen 3 Punkte, whatever 3 points we have seen, you have to make sure that you cover all these 3 points. Achten Sie auf den Textaufbau, meaning you have to cover salutations, then greetings, then contents in the text, conclusion. Okay, all this should be covered. And those 3 points anyway, obviously, those are very important, whichever they have given. This is text field, your email. Okay. Now they will evaluate on which basis. That also it's written here, bewertet werden. Erfüllung, meaning fulfillment, that is for 10 marks. Then coherence. Coherence is 10 marks. Wortschatz, meaning vocabulary, 10 marks. And Strukturen. Strukturen is structure. Structure of the text, that is also for 10 marks. So on these 4 points, they will evaluate you. Then Aufgabe 2. Now this is task 2. Okay. In this task, Sie haben im Fernsehen eine Diskussionssendung zum Thema persönliche Kontakte und Internet gesehen. Persönliches Kontakte meaning personal contacts and internet. So the topic is personal contact and internet. You have seen that program on the TV, Fernsehen. Im Online-Guestbook der Sendung finden Sie folgende Meldung. Meaning you will see here one opinion. Okay, in that particular program's guestbook, somebody has given her opinion. Here one Tanya, a lady called Tanya, she has given one opinion. So this is like a sample for you. You have to write your opinion on personal contacts and internet. But you can take ideas from here, but don't copy it. Okay, give your personal opinion on this but just this is like a sample for you. They have given a sample for you. And again, they will evaluate you on this same basis: fulfillment, coherence, vocabulary, and structure. Okay, 10 points each. Now, this is the last task. This is Augabad Rai, meaning task 3. Here also, obviously, you have to write email because earlier we have seen here. Ihre Kursleiterin, meaning your course leader. Kursleiterin from Müller hat sie zu einem Gespräch über ihre persönliche Leinzelle eingeladen. Meaning now she is inviting you to discuss, she is inviting you for a meeting to discuss your personal learning goals, right? Zu dem Termin können Sie aber nicht kommen, but you are not able to go there, okay, for that particular meeting. You cannot attend that meeting. Schreiben Sie an Frau Müller, entschuldigen Sie sich höflich und berichten Sie, warum Sie nicht kommen können. Now here you have to write to Frau Müller, Mrs. Müller, and you have to apologize and saying that I cannot attend this meeting, okay. So why you cannot attend that, you have to write it here in this particular email. Okay, got it? So this is Schreiben Sie eine E-Mail circa 40 Wörter, meaning approximately for 40 words you have to write the email. Vergessen Sie nicht Anrede und den Gruß am Schluss, meaning don't forget to add salutations and greetings at the end. Okay, so this is Schreiben section, writing section of German Goethe B1 level exam. And I hope this is clear with you. And again for Aufgabe also, the same way they will evaluate you: fulfillment, coherence, then vocabulary and structure. Okay, so this is all about Schreiben section of German Goethe B1 level exam. I hope this is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.